Today we are diving into scale command in AutoCAD. Need to resize object without losing accuracy? Stick around, this is essential. The scale command is used to resize objects either by enlarging or shrinking them. It's perfect for adjusting dimensions without redrawing the object. You can access the scale command by typing in scale on your keyboard and pressing in enter. Then you are going to highlight the object which you want to scale and press enter. You are going to choose either you're enlarging the object or shrinking the object. For our case here, we are going to choose a base point and we are going to enlarge the object by 2. So we are just going to type in 2 and enlarge the object. So this object is 2 times the initial object. To bring back the object to its initial size, it means we have to shrink it. To be able to shrink the object, we are going to select the object and let's now use another way to access the scale command. To be able to do that, we move to the home tab and click on this icon here, which is scale. Then we choose a base point and type in 0.5. Means we have reduced the square by a half. And that's how you use scale command in AutoCAD. Now you can resize objects accurately, whether enlarging or reducing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more AutoCAD tips. See you in the next video.